The investigation summary written by Tier 1 and the investigation report written by Tier 2 should have a similar structure, which consists of two sections: an assortment of technical information and an explanation of the investigation. Incidents often have an abundance of technical information, but not all of it is relevant from an investigative perspective. The first section should contain all the relevant details that an analyst needs to understand the incident. Each case is different, and so is the list of technical details. Nonetheless, there are some details that should always be present. Timestamps, preferably in the Coordinated Universal Time or UTC format. Alert name, alert source, endpoint ID, endpoint operating system and version number, endpoint IP address, and any relevant username information. The UTC format is especially important for forensic examinations. The second section expands on the first and explains as a narrative what the incident is and how it has been investigated. A story-like progression is important because it helps the reader understand the flow of events. The main difference between Tier 1 and Tier 2 can be seen in the length and detail of the narrative. Since Tier 1 is responsible only for the triage, the investigation scope will also be smaller. The summary should provide answers to the following questions. Number 1. What has happened? For instance, a malicious file with the name msa.dodlg.exe has been detected on the workstation of the business manager. Number 2. What conclusion has been reached? Based on the triage, the detection is a true positive. Number 3. What evidence can be presented to support this conclusion? The SHA-256 hash value matches that of an emoted malware sample and has been detected as malicious by 55 engines on VirusTotal. Number 4. Does the incident require a further analysis? The incident will be escalated to Tier 2 to determine what kind of malicious activity has been performed on the workstation and how did the incident occur. Remember to include the timestamp information for the escalation.